there, I'm going to do a little video on animation in Unity, and I'll create a brand new project. Right now I'm in Unity Hub. I'm going to create a new project, and it's going to be a 2D project, and I'll just call it Animation Test. And let me pick a good location. And create. And if I want to do animation, either you could be a really good artist and come up with the animation yourself, or you could buy the animation. I'm going to go to this website, opengameart.org, and there's a lot of animation that people have generously donated to developers that are just getting started and just need some artwork to get started with. So I'm going to search for the word cat and look for some nice cat animation, and I found one that I'm going to use, and I like it because there's so many different pictures with the same cat in slightly different poses. So there's two formats I can download these. They're zip files, so when you download them, just double click on them and your computer hopefully will know how to open those up and you'll get the individual images. So I downloaded that ahead of time. I don't have to do that right now. I can jump back to Unity. And I have just a simple scene here. We can toggle between the scene view and the game view, what it will look like when it's on the device. And I need to get my artwork inside of this scene. So I'll go to where I downloaded the artwork. And I have quite a lot of pictures of cats. So there's jumping, standing, walking. I'm going to start with maybe the jumping one. So I'll just pick those 3 jumping pictures, and I'm selecting more than one at once by selecting the top one, and let me do that again. Select the first cat and then hold down Shift and select the last cat jump photo. And now with all 3 of those selected, I'm going to drag them into my scene. And it'll pop up with a box saying it assumes that I want to create a new animation for this cat jump series of images, and that's exactly what I want to do. So I'm going to call the new animation cat jumping, and it'll put the 3 pictures in the assets folder. And then when I hit run, we should see the little cat's running quite fast, and the background on this image isn't clear. So if I want that to blend in, I could change the background color there. So let's play with that a little bit more. I'll stop that from running. Number 1, my cat's a little small. I'm going to make the cat bigger. Number 2, I would like the background of the whole scene to match. So I'm going to choose background, but instead of trying to guess what that color is that's in the background of the cat, I'm going to use the eyedropper tool and pick exactly that color so it'll match. And now I can run. Pretty cool. One more thing, my cat's running quite fast. You can change the pace that the pictures are cycling through for the animation, so let me show you how to do that. I'm going to choose the window pull down menu and then animation and animation again. And before you select that, make sure that you have your cat jump object selected. So instead of selecting the main camera, which I had done to change the background color, I'm going to select the cat jump part of this, and then window, animation, animation again, and we get a pop-up, and you'll see that there were 3 individual pictures with the cat jumping. We have 3 points in time where each of them represents a different picture. So we've got our cat jump 1, our cat jump the second picture, the third picture, and it's cycling through 12, like it'll cycle through 12 different pictures I believe per second. Let's slow this down. So I'm going to go from 12 to 6 and try running this again. And that looks a little slower. Oh, it went back to 12. Let me pause that. Stop. And I'll change that to 6 and we can see what that looks like. That's definitely slower. And we can change it to even slower at 3. That's a very slow cat. That's kind of too slow. So I think I liked the 6 better, so I'll leave that. And we're done with that, and let me test it out. So let's try it out, hit the play button, and let's watch our cat going at a more reasonable speed. And I'm happy with that speed, but you could play around with it more if you want. If you have more pictures of the cat, you can get the cat to be doing more things other than the 3 pictures I have here. But I'm happy with that, so I'll stop the video right there. Have a great day.